Sarika, Namaskar. Hello, everyone. Welcome you all to TechnoBase Rotomolding Tech Talk. This is a virtual event series that we organize on regular basis for the benefit of the rotomolding professionals across the world. Welcome you all for today's episode of the Rotomolding Tech Talk. In this episode today, we're having an interesting business conversation with a rotomolder from India, Atul Group. And our guest of the program today is Mr. Kant Khatri. He's the Vice President of the Atul Group, and he's also founder of a good network, polymer network, PolyConnect. So he's going to share Atul Group's journey in terms of rotomolding and also what's going on in the rotomolding industry in India and other things that he's doing for the benefit of the polymer industry. So before I let him come on board, let me do a little introduction to TechnoBase and also other things about this program. Rotomolding Tech Talk, this episode is sponsored by the Rising Sun Rotomolding Machinery as one of the leading supplier of the rotomolding machinery. Let me show you a short video on the Rising Sun Rotomolding Machinery.
Wenling Rising Sun Rotomolding Technology Co., Limited, located in Wenling City, Zhejiang Province, have more than 20 years of rotomolding experience. Main business is rotomolding machines, rotational molds and RD of rotomolding technology. Rotomolding machines include carousel rotomolding machine, shuttler rotomolding machine, oven-type rock and roll machine, open flame rock and roll machine. Rotational molds include steel molds, CNC steel molds, aluminum molds. So far, the company has exported to more than 80 countries, with more than 800 machines being installed and running worldwide, and participated in more than 2,000 rotomolding projects. If you have any rotomolding project needs, please contact us.
Okay, thanks to the Rising Sun for supporting this Rotomolding Tech Talk series by TechnoBase, and also will be supported by the polymer organization like Star Society of Asian Rotomolders and also the PolyConnect, founded by the Mr. Khatri. So let me quickly introduce to you all about the TechnoBase, give you some idea. Probably some of you may be new to it, and also like to update you about some of the new things happening from TechnoBase. TechnoBase established in 2005. It is based in Thailand. It is recognized as International Resource Center for Polymer Industries and Process Technologies. Our emphasis mainly on the polymer industries, talking about plastics, rubber, polyurethane, adhesive coatings. We also do on the non-polymer side as well. Our emphasis is always in terms of services, more on professional education. We have lots of training courses, online programs, executive diploma. We also have various business service on the exhibitions, conferences, virtual events like today, road shows, marketing and branding services. You can check our website, technobase.org. That's an overview about TechnoBase, but let me talk a little bit about what we're doing for the rotomolding segment. One of the popular things for the Technobase is Rotomolding Tech Talk, this program, because we organize on regular basis, and currently there are 1,600 plus subscribers across the world for close to 40 countries uh, who are involved with rotomolding or subscribers. Some of them join the live, some of them watch them on the record sessions. Other thing that we're proud about is rotomolding digital library. This is basically see all the presentations happens in the rotomolding tech talk. They become the component of the rotomolding digital library. It's basically an educational knowledge platform for the rotomolding industry. Currently, there are 104 topics, 56 specialists. And of course, you have to become the member to access them. So let me quickly show you what kind of topics are available, and you may find them useful. I encourage you to become the member so that you can train, you can educate your teams to understand about what is all about rotomolding, what kind of new things happening in the rotomolding industry. So let's have a look at the short video clip on the rotomolding digital library. So that's about the library. I do encourage every one of you to become the member to access all these topics so that your team and yourself learn all about the rotational molding process. Other than that, some other information about Technobase. We have this Technobase Trade Expo that we organize in Bangkok and Sharjah. As part of the Technobase Trade Expo, we organize Rotomolding Trade Expo. It's aimed to be a meeting point for the rotational molding industry in the regional meet in Southeast Asia or Middle East region. At Bangkok, we have rotomolding training program. We have 4 training courses during 12 to 14 March, given by Mr. Ian Hansen and Mr. Umakant Savdekar. Very much relevant to the industry. There's a topics available that will be organized during 12 to 14th March in Bangkok. You can see focus on the rotomold tanks, raw materials, good practices, and also the troubleshooting. So very useful topics. I encourage you to register. If you're interested, please travel to Bangkok and participate in these training programs. We're also working on the rotomolding directory, which will have some technical articles, companies information, who is working on the rotational molding, both technology side as well as the molded parts. We do have a Roto Plus. It's a marketing and branding program for the rotational molding companies who are interested to promote their business through Technobis networks. This is me. You can always reach out to me if you need more information on the Technobis and activities. So that's briefly about Technobis and activities of the Technobis related to the rotational molding. So now I welcome you all to this today's episode of the Rotomolding Tech Talk, focusing on the business conversation with a rotomolder from India, Atul Group. And we have a guest, Mr. Kant Khatri, as part of this program today. Is a Vice President of Atul Group, well experienced, highly knowledgeable about rotational molding business, both the technical and the management aspects of it. So it's a good opportunity for all of us to get to know about India, rotomolding, what are the issues there are, and also about Atul Group, what they're doing, their vision to Mr. Kant Khatri. He's also founder of a very good polymer professionals network called PolyConnect. I'm also part of that network, is WhatsApp group, and I think they're working on the website as well. Fantastic initiative of the Mr. Khatri. Now let's get to know more about it. And this is going to be, it is not a scripted conversation. He know what kind of questions, what kind of topics I'm going to discuss. Maybe he has a broad idea what kind of areas I'm going to touch it. So it's going to be a free flow conversation, kind of coffee table conversation. And if you're interested to ask any questions to him, you can post questions in the question box. I can include them as part of my conversation with Mr. Khatri. So join me to welcome Mr. Khatri to come on board. Mr. Khatri, please join us.
Good evening, all. I am
Hi there. Hi, Mr. Khatri. First of all, thank you very much for accepting invitation to be part of this.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate. You have been doing a lot of good things for the industry and also well experienced in the industry. So this conversation will be interesting for our audience as well. So big thank you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a free flow conversation. So we touch a lot of issues. I hope it is okay with you. Yeah. Yeah.
No issue. No issue.
No issue. Okay. So let's first get to know about Atul Group. Can you talk about the, how the journey of Atul Group started, where it started in the rotomolding industry? Can you talk about Atul Group, please? Yeah.
Yes. Atul Group basically based in Agra, in India, and they start their business from DG sets. In India, Rajkot and Agra is famous for DG sets, diesel generator sets and pump sets. So they start from DG sets, and over 3 decades, they lead in DG sets as a brand of Atul. Due to Thai tripodium zone in India, to the pollution industry, because it involves market costings and all, coal foundries, then due to Thai mill, all the foundry industries are restricted and banned.
Oh,
So my owners, Mr. Sanjeev Mittal, the director of the group, diversify their business to polymer industry. And then they start around 2001.
your voice sometime is going down. Can you check for you? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
clear?
Better. Yeah. Now okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So they start the roto molding business by a rocket machine only, and start the manufacturing of water tanks, little bit water tanks. And in an extension, they bought a biaxial machine, and in 2011 and 12, they bought a shuttle machine from King Poly, Hyderabad,
Okay.
and of 5,000 liter capacity. And they are manufacturing waste bins and water tank also. After expansions, we bought two more machines from Tripoli. It's 7,500 liters and 10,000 liters. And some manufacturing rotomolded coolers, which have a good market in India. Now we are starting planters, we are starting bar tables, we are starting furniture line. These are in queue.
Okay. So let's go one by one. So originally, Atul Group is basically the pipe manufacturer, pipe and fittings. Yeah, is it correct?
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And
yes,
then
yes.
in the 2011 onwards, you got into rotomolding. Yeah.
Like 2001.
2001. 2001 onwards, you got into rotomolding, and in the beginning, your water tanks, and now you expand into the waste bins as well. Yeah, right.
Yes,
Yeah.
waste bins,
And
planters,
yeah,
rotomolded
and
coolers also.
so the coolers you made by the rotomolding,
Yes,
the
yes.
parts, yeah, with rotomolding. Okay, I see.
Yeah. Full
And
body. Cooler body is by rotomolding.
I see, I see. And your company is located in Agra.
Yes, located
And
in Agra.
how far are you from the Taj Mahal?
Around 5 kilometers.
5?
Yeah, 5 kilometers.
Oh my goodness! So every day you pass by or what? Is it? Yeah, for many of us, like Taj Mahal is like once in a while we visit. So for you, it's a
Taj
daily
Mahal
visit.
is visible from the top floor from our company.
Oh my goodness. So next time we should visit you, man. Yeah.
No issue, sir. Welcome.
Yeah. So it's nice to know. I mean, you usually find that people have factories in Mumbai or Chennai or or in some other industrial cities, but
Delhi also.
Delhi, yeah, Delhi too, yeah. But as first time I come across a person where company is located in Agra, and that is also 5 kilometers away, and you can see the Taj Mahal from your company as well. Wow, yeah, it's better than living in a hotel. Nice,
Yes.
nice. So, talk about this rotomolding business of Atul Group. So, initially, how is the business now for the roto? You have pipes and you have the PVC pipes and fittings,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
which is a major chunk for you? Pipes.
Yeah. We are manufacturing of pipes, PVC pipes, CPVC pipes, and all other segment of pipe, SWR, garden, and many more. And water tank is our separate business, which is support to PVC industry because the buyer are same.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. But in terms of the market or business point of view, PVC pipes are the major. Yeah.
Yes.
The amount of business you do on.
But for us, roto molding is a major part of us because we manufacture tanks around the year, 12 months, and we are manufacturing 6 months roto molded coolers also. So it gives extra volume to us.
Uh-huh. And
Cooler
you produce water tanks, only the PE tanks or PVC. There are somebody produce a PVC also, right?
Only PE tanks.
Okay. Pipes as well. Pipes. So we have both PE and PP. Yeah. PVC.
Pipe for PVC and CPVC.
CPVC. Okay, I see. I see. Okay, great, great. So let's talk. How is the business, rotomolding business for the Atul Group? Doing well?
It's great. It's great. Doing good.
Good. And you have a lot of competition. You have competition in your area for you.
There is a lot of competition for every company in every segment. But you have to sustain with your quality, your new investors, your new scopes, new developments, and customer demand.
Yeah, we know a lot of people say the water tank business is the price conscious, so much competition,
No,
lot
no,
of
no, no,
quality issues, no issues in
no,
that.
no,
Yeah.
no, no, no.
Mm.
Not even a single price competition for quality manufacturers, because Vectors, Ashirvad, and many more companies like Kaveri, Syntax,
Yeah.
they
Yes.
all are doing a virgin product with a good quality, with a good cost. Those are making cheap tank, so regretable tank or second-hand material tanks. They are suffering from cost factor.
Yeah. So the one who manufacture with the quality as a conscious, quality as the main thing, that they're doing good business. Yeah, that's how it is.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. No
The
issue.
one
No
who
issue.
is the one
Suffering
who is suffering,
one
the one who is suffering is the one who produces the poor quality products. Yeah.
poor quality tanks. Yes, because
Yeah.
of replacement, a lot of replacement in this business.
Mm-hmm. What is usually the water tank, the life period for your company?
I am also a user of my company tank, and
Okay.
in my house it is installed from last 20 years.
Okay. Okay. I think nothing to add more. Yeah. It's still working. Yeah. 20 plus years
Yes,
now. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. That and when it comes to the tanks market, water tanks market, what are things, new things happening in the market?
New thing is the multi-layer tank, puff
Hmm.
tanks, insulated
Hmm.
tank, you mean, and the competition is from blow molded tank. Blow molding, because of fast production, high production capacity, and less cost, so they will compete. But due to quality and sustainability, Rota is always welcome in market.
Hmm. So you said the multi-layer. Let's talk about the multi-layer tanks. And you guys produce some multi-layer tanks.
Yes,
How many layers you
we, we
produce?
are we are also manufacturing multi-layer product till 8 layers.
Okay.
This is the simply market gimmick, nothing more. The tank is suitable up to 2 layer or 3 layer maximum. No need for multi-layers, but market demands, then we manufacture.
Who demands an 8 layer or a 6 layer or?
It's competition market, sir. First we
I
launched
see.
4 layer, then competition 6 layer, then 8 layer, then now Vectors recently launched 10 layer.
That's right.
This is a rat race.
Okay, so you don't see the additional benefit of having a more layers?
No benefit, no benefit. If you
Okay.
want to increase the weight of tank, increase the layer of tank, then you increase the input in 3 layers also. That is
Okay.
sufficient. In 2 layer also, that is sufficient to sustain.
Okay.
Because of multi-layer, every layer is very thin.
Mm. But it increases the cost of the tank, is it? Yeah.
Yes.
And the weight as well. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's not really not that profitable if you produce more layers. Yeah. Because of the people don't.
No loss. Any company doesn't just give any loss in production in any segment. This is market demand. Then if we make 8 layer tank weight in 3 layers, it is more beneficial for customer. Customer need 8 layer, 5 layer, 6 layer. It's
Mm, So in India, all the water tank manufacturers are producing a multi-layer. Most of the quality
most
manufacturers.
of the quality manufacturers are maximum produce like 2 4 layers. But
Mm,
due to blow molders, they are using 6 layer, 8 layer, 10 layers. Then
mm,
some rotomolders like us also makes 6 layer, 8 layer for to market demand.
mm. I see. And you talk about a competition with the blow molding. Blow molding, do they have a limitation on the size of the tank?
In Indian market, there is a size from 500 to 2000 liters maximum. And blow
Yeah.
molding is also capable to do to 2000 liters. In 5000 liter, in 10,000 liter, all the blow molding manufacturers are also using roto molding.
Mm-hmm. I think some of the rotomolders, they also have the blow molding process also, right? Yeah.
Yes, like
So,
vectors, Ganga,
yeah,
Plastro, Kaveri, Sheetal.
yeah. And you don't have blow molding
No,
process?
no, we
Not
never
yet.
recommend blow molding. We never recommend blow molding.
Okay, I see. I see. Yeah. How about the competition? Let's look at water tanks. Some people prefer the steel tanks also, right? Is India what is the situation? The steel tanks.
No, nobody used steel tanks. Everybody used plastic tanks or cement tanks.
Hmm. Cement tanks.
Yes.
Okay, not much in the steel tanks. Yeah.
No, no,
Hmm.
nobody.
Okay. And I've always wonder about there are how many water tank manufacture in India?
It's approximately 6,000 plus.
What 6,000
6,000
plus
plus. Plus.
water tank plastic water tank manufacturer?
Manufacturers. Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes,
really?
yes,
Wow. Roto molding guys, yeah.
yes.
You may talk about small scale also, yeah, right?
Big, big, big. Some are making 2
6,000
to 3 lakhs, 6,000 around.
all over India.
Yes. In UP itself, around 1,200.
Wow. So then it's a big race about the price, huh? Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. In
Oh,
India, you are getting 3 rupees liter to 7 rupees liter in 3 layer tank.
I see.
This much
And
of difference.
hmm. So what kind of margins usually there in terms of the water tank business?
The margins are good from 75 paisa to 1.25 rupees per liter.
Okay. Mhm.
It's around 15 to 20%.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Wow, man, this is something very interesting. 6,000 plus of roto molders who produce water tanks. Yeah,
In all
whether it
over
is
India. Yes.
yeah all over India. You're talking all over India. In only in Uttar Pradesh, I think the
Around
most
1,000 plus.
1,000 plus. I think the most populous state, right, in India. Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
250 million people. Yeah, something that's what I think.
30
Yeah.
million.
Wow. Wow. Oh, that's very interesting to know. So when you have so many manufacturers like this, how do you brand? What is your branding strategy? How to market for the consumer? Because consumer always look at, hey, which is the cheapest, which is economical. How do you promote to the end user?
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Not every customer.
Yeah.
The customer from rural background, the customer from small scale industry, townships, they need lower. Yeah, let's use cheaper tank because they have no interest for quality or sustainable life. They give the customer and forget it. If
Okay.
the tank distract after 1 hour, 2 years, the customer has responsibility to take a new tank.
Hmm. So there still customers are there buying the quality. What kind of
By
questions they
quality.
usually? What kind of questions the end user usually
Single,
ask when
single, single weight and guarantee.
okay, and guarantee usually what is the period that you guys give?
Generally 10 years for the
10
good
years
tank.
good tanks. Okay, and is 2,000 liters is a common size, right? A lot of
Yes,
popular size, yeah,
yes,
2,000
yes, yes,
liters.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Oh, super. Wow, it's really good to know about so many manufacturers are there in India, and how do they get inform each other? Okay, I know that there are some associations are there. Okay, so there is still I don't think the members are not reached to all these associations yet, right?
No, 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 no. They
Mm,
are very small manufacturers. Buy some one or two small rock and roll type machines and manufacturing only 200, 300, 500, 700 liters.
yeah.
You know,
So
the king of rotor industry is Mr. Vishal Raithada, who manufactures a small machine, household machines. They are manufacturing tanks. to 500 liters, 750 liters. Maximum manufacturers are manufacturing below 1000 liters.
Who is that king of rotomolding? What his name again?
Right, Tata, sir.
Oh, we know the writers. Yeah, of course,
Vinod Rai.
Yeah. Vinod Rai, engineer, yeah, the legendary.
Yes, Vinod Rai. Yes,
Yeah,
legendary.
the person, even at with the wife and husband can run the factory, yeah, right? That kind of models they create.
Not wife and not the husband has a total.
Yeah. No. I'm saying that with two people can, they can. It's kind of a family business.
Yes.
So
In their commercial aid.
Yeah. So you no need to invest so much. Everybody can become an entrepreneur, and you can.
Yes.
That is
Their model.
he's a legend. He's a legend. Yeah, I can say. Yeah.
Legend. He's a guru of rotomolding.
He's a guru of everybody. Yes, I'm sure I agree. Totally agree on that. And we had a session with him, in our past episodes of the rotomolding tech talk.
I know.
Yeah. And in India, which states are more into rotomolding industry? Other than of course, every state has a rotomold. Where are the more rotomolders are in India?
In Gujarat. In Assam.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And UP also.
Yeah.
Somehow Rajasthan.
Mm-hmm. Maharashtra too. Probably they have one. No.
Maharashtra not much, but in Andhra is also.
Okay. In south side, in Tamil Nadu and
yes.
This, yeah.
Every state has rotomolders, but these four states are major volume.
Mm-hmm. And how about we are talking about only roof tanks, right? But you produce underground tanks as well?
No, we didn't produce underground tanks, not septic tanks. Because here is no market for that.
Okay, underground tanks people don't use in India much.
No. There are some limited areas like Tamil Nadu, Andhra, some Gujarat, some Maharashtra, and somewhere in northeast India. Then, but nothing much.
Okay, so still, I think in other countries, I think underground tanks are popular because of space issue. Yeah. So,
yes, India has a lot of space.
Right. Yeah.
Basically, India has a 80% community from a rural background and villages. So there is a lot of space for sewerage and all.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
No issue.
Yeah. Okay. Let's can we talk about the standards? So many companies producing so many tanks. 6,000. Do India has any standard guidelines on quality standards for the tanks?
Yeah, India has a BIS guideline from under IS 12701, which all the manufacturers are followed who are manufacturing ISI tanks. Then the demand of ISI tank is very less.
Okay.
Only in government projects and somehow in fire and safety and multiple stories, they need only ISI tanks. But in commercial market, all the manufacturers are manufacturing normal tanks, is underweight tanks, but it has good quality, good ambience, good features compared to ISI tank.
So people don't follow much ISI, only government projects only. Yeah.
Yes, in only government projects and on safety projects, only ISI is needed. But kit in this tank, they need only a commercial tank.
So it comes to the tanks, other than the water tanks, how is India market for the chemical tanks, chemical storage tank? What is your opinion about it? Is it big manufacturing?
That is a good business. Yes, that is a good business. Generally, they are using rotomolding and blow molding also.
Okay. But it's many, the rotomolders, they also produce the chemical storage and some automotive applications as well. Yeah.
Yes. Blow molding. Basically,
Global.
that segment is governed by blow molding also because of
Mm.
blue drum. You see a blue barrel,
Right.
which is
Yeah.
a blow molded product, and
Mm.
it's captured by blue drum
Mm-hmm.
for the chemicals and hard chemicals and acids and all.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You know, I think, you know, the rotomolding technology, we're talking machines. Okay, let's talk about two things, machines and materials. In India, what is your opinion about our machine technology, rotomolding machinery? Are they up to the international standards, or what do you think about it? You're also using, how many machines you have now?
See,
Three. Okay. And
three machines
what
we
is
have.
your,
All are shuttles for a
okay? And what is your opinion about the, you know, machinery manufacturing, you know, capabilities in India?
good. Some good manufacturers are manufacturing a good machines like Poly, like Implants, like Minuto. Minuto is a king, no doubt. And previously, Reinhardt is manufacturing in India also. They have good machines. Or Vinod Rai for small machines. So there, 3, 4 players are good.
Hmm.
Cliff Poly is doing good. Mr. Anil Ganju.
So we have a good quality machines in India, produced in India.
Yes.
Okay, there are always
Yes,
some
yes.
good, some bad, but overall, international, you know, quality, global standard machinery manufacturers
Yes.
are available from India as well. Yeah. So what the way,
5, 6 manufacturers are good manufacturers.
yeah, super. How about the molds? Molds also very much key. Yeah.
Yes. In mold, same. All the
Okay.
same machine manufacturers are making molds also. So
Okay.
some of the Master Poly, Cliff Poly, and Puja Rotomake are making good molds.
Okay. I see. I see. Yeah. Good. Yeah. And okay, let's go into your other product line is waste bins, right? Waste
Yes.
bins. How is the market? Waste bin market in India?
Waste bin market is very less for the
Is
roto
it?
molding.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. They
Even
are
we have a
using
Swachh Bharat. You know, the Swachh Bharat
Swachh
was
Bharat. They
started.
are using. They are yes. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They are using maximum of injection molding waste bins
Oh, okay,
because of cheap, because of low cost.
okay. So the
In
business.
roto molding, 2 or 3 manufacturers are dominating this market.
Okay, in the waste bins.
Yes, like Supreme, Neel Kamal, and 1 or 2 or manufacturers, more manufacturers are that.
And your market, actually, the area of market is you're mostly focused on Uttar Pradesh or other states as well.
No, we are spread it in Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Rajasthan, some of Haryana,
Okay.
and neighbor state MP.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Because
Interesting.
of volume, sweat product, the limitations of distance,
Yeah.
voltage element is more in getting the goods.
Mm-hmm.
So
So yeah, but when talk about this waste bins, the market is not growing
that
much
much.
for you, right? Yeah, not that
Yes.
much. Yeah. So how about coolers, for air coolers?
Cooler is
I
a
think
good
it's a good
business. Cooler
market.
is a good
Yeah,
business.
yeah.
Yes, it's a
So
good business. We are
yeah,
the first in roto-molded coolers in India.
okay.
After many more companies are manufacturing roto-molded coolers like Samsung, Captiva, and many more. It's- Some of the local companies are also manufacturing
Hmm.
like Hawk, but we are the first. And now we are manufacturing around 23 to 25 models in roto-molded cooler.
Okay. It depends on size of it. Yeah, the cooling
Yes,
capacity. Yeah.
from Fani. Yes. From tabletop cooler to industrial cooler also.
Wow. probably the summer time is a big business for you, busy time, right? Summer in India is very, very
No.
hot.
From winters. We are
Oh, is
starting
it?
cooler production from Diwali, October,
Oh, okay. I see. I see.
and stock till February and sale after February.
Okay. I see. I see. So you have a complete assembly section, not only
Yes,
the
yes,
body
yes,
complete.
yes. We are also manufacturing the exhaust fan.
Mm-hmm.
Our cooler is based on exhaust fan with exhaust
Okay.
fan.
Mm.
So exhaust fan is also our product. Body
Mm.
is also our product. We are
Okay.
buying only water pump from outside.
I see. I see. And you supply to all over India, only the same
No,
states.
in the same state, in surrounding state, and all over India by Amazon and Flipkart.
Oh, okay. I see. So you do good business through the Amazon, Flipkart. How is the business?
Yes, good
Yeah,
business.
yeah.
Yes.
The margins are
Nationwide
good.
circulate measure. Margins are good. In online market, margins are good.
Okay. So do you do your own business, any online marketing other than Amazon and Flipkart and other sources? Do you do anything else online platforms you have? Your own platforms?
Planter. No. We are
Mm,
using Amazon and Flipkart, and
mm,
somehow one or two some small platforms are there.
mm,
They are using our business, and
mm,
planters are also selling on Amazon.
mhm. So planters, coolers, even the waste bins. Do you do waste bins too? No,
No, waste winning.
no waste bin. Only
Waste
the
winning no.
coolers and the
Planters.
planters. Yeah. But you do also manufacture tubs also, right? You have some
Yes,
kind of tubs, yeah?
cooler tubs. Yes,
Core
this is
tubs.
our
Okay.
main product.
Oh, okay.
Cooler tub is our main product. We are manufacturing around 50,000 pieces per each season.
Okay. So that is a money making business, yeah? Among the
Yes,
roto molding.
yes.
Yeah.
In a short
Oh,
time, a lot of money.
I see, I see. And how many types of tubs you have?
50 to 250 liters.
Oh, okay. I see, I see.
50, 100, 125, 150, 200, and 250.
So it's a good business, good market for you,
Yes,
yeah?
yes,
And it's a growing market.
yes.
And they are
For
also
this
using
season.
is also PE or what?
P.
Oh, it's a PE also. Okay. Interesting. Okay, interesting. You see, I see now, I understand that you have water tanks, you have tubs, you have, of course, the tubs is a more margins and money making compared to all, yeah.
Yes,
And waste bins is kind of slow business, but still, growing business, yeah. I would
yes,
say, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
So interesting. How about the raw material? How are you managing the raw materials? You are getting a good price, good grades, good quality. What do you think about raw
Yeah,
materials in India?
yes.
Mm,
We are doing MOUs from Gale and Reliance,
mhm,
but only from them. In manufacturing, they are not in-house. 100% based on budget.
mm.
There is no issue for raw material.
Oh, okay. So supply no problem, quality no issue, yeah, right?
No issue, no issue, no issue.
Oh, I see, I see. How about nowadays everybody talks about sustainability, sustainable materials. What do you think about it? Yeah.
Sustainable, sustainable is material is a precise word for the recycled material is now for sustainable material.
Okay. I see. That's how you think about it, yeah? Because nowadays a lot of companies are trying to talk about using the recycled plastics in roto molding, yeah, and also the new grades of sustainable materials from some of the leading suppliers. So
Yes, like
Matrix, there are some others, yeah.
polymer
So
link, polymer link.
you're right, so because that's I think everybody looking towards
No, this
net
is the
zero.
future. This is the future of India. This is the future of India. Recycled product is must for India.
Yeah.
Because India is a hub for polymer.
Hmm.
And currently the government also plan to work on recycling. They are
Hmm.
making polymer hubs. They are making special zones for products and recycling industries.
Mm. Yeah, I think there are lot is going on in this area. I think, that's a future, so I think everybody has to somewhere to utilize the recycled materials in the process. Yeah.
Yes.
So
There is a future. There is a future in India.
that's definitely a huge market
In
there.
coming, in coming 10 to 50 years, this business is on boom.
Yeah, true, true. Agree. Yeah. Okay. So we talk about raw materials. Let's talk a little bit about, operational issues of the rotomolding industry. You've been in 25 plus years in the rotomolding altogether, around that, yeah?
Yes.
And so for the benefit of the audience, maybe some ideas for them how to manage their cost in operations of the rotomolding business, where they waste the money, where they lost the money, in terms of production or in terms of sales, and give us some ideas, some good practices that they should follow in managing the rotomolding business, both technical side, non-technical side. Yeah, some ideas
Yes.
for you. Yeah.
In manufacturing the rotomolding product, everybody knows their background, what they are using, what they are doing. But simply the single man solution is the perfect manpower, perfect material, perfect machinery, and perfect maintenance.
Hmm.
If these four segments are controlled, then your cost is also controlled. Because maximum wastage is manpower, due to manpower. If you have unskilled manpower, your powder wastage, your material wastage, your scrap ratio is become high. If you have perfect operators, perfect helpers, perfect tooling, you do a lot of saving in your process and doing perfect in mold.
So
You are using
perfect machines, perfect molds, perfect manpower, perfect materials, perfect maintenance. What else? Yeah, these are all. You have to be efficient. Then only you can manage the cost. Yeah, yeah. Um,
maintenance
it-
and man, two are the main segment.
hmm,
Generally, in rotomolding industries, nobody is focused on maintenance. They are running machines like continue 24 hours, 365 days. It's a simple phenomena. Let it go. चलने दो. जब तक break
yeah.
down नहीं हो चलने दो. So
Yeah.
machine get wear and tear also. Machine get also tired. Then revive that machine, repair that machine, increase its output. Somehow they are using 100 kg per output. They are getting 70 kgs, but the word is simply used, let it go.
So just like we need a rest, they also need to maintain the machines properly, so that
Yes.
yeah. So
You have to make a chart. You have to make a chart for maintenance, preventive maintenance, and reshuffling of manpower, and in a work optimization of every segment, like extruder, like regrinding, like process, all that you use inside meters, electric meters for every segment, do evaluation of cost day to day, which is a more saving of energy.
and also that train the people on regular basis. Yeah.
Yes.
So I think that is very much important. So
If
how
your
do you?
cooling time is around, if your cooling time is around 20 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, taking rest, yourself on cigarette and all, then you're not rotating for 35 minutes. 15 minutes.
Your voice is breaking for some reason. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So
That is okay.
then the wastage of power is involved.
The energy loss is high. What you're trying to say
Yes.
yeah.
Energy loss and powder wastage.
Yeah. Powder wastage. Yeah.
Yes. You have to make a separate bins You have to make a buckets to pour the material in the mold, or use some automatic mold pouring system like vacuum suction, like flow, hopper loader. Then you have to save powders.
Yeah, so the powder loss, energy loss, that they need to be careful, you know. And also, when is a powder loss is there, the safety, you know, the explosion or safety issues comes up as well. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Did you see any accidents in rotomolding companies in India with the powder?
No, not much,
And
not much.
not
Yeah.
much. Or any explosions of the furnace? Any?
No, in my career, I didn't see.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So sometimes the people say that some safety issues of the, you know, the explosions in the, yeah. Okay, interesting. Okay, let's get into your dream project. I really liked what you're doing for the industry, PolyConnect.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Let's talk about it. I'm really proud that I'm really happy and appreciate that your efforts and how to keep that this group of PolyConnect. So
Yes.
talk about that one, how it evolved, how you started, what is your vision about it? Yeah. So
I am a founder of Rotomitra, Roto Association of India,
okay.
in 1 year back. But that is only for a roto industry.
Yeah.
So then I think to do for the home polymer industry, which has come from same platform. Because anyone is a rotomolder, he is also a student. He is also a mold process. He is also we connect all together to enhance their knowledge, enhance their exposure to polymer industry. Then I start this group, Connect group. It's a group registered. And when I
Can you
start, when I start with this, with a small 300 to 400 people, now it has around 2,200 people which are connected in Polymer Connect. And recently, by the month of February, we launched portal for primary polymer industry to know everyone, and using a lot of knowledge in a single platform.
Yes. Now you have like a close to 2,000 or 2,500 something, right? Yeah, two groups now existed. Yeah. So
Yes.
okay,
In a
it's a really,
somehow 8 months, in 8 months,
yeah, fantastic.
we get
That's a really,
connected to 1,200 people on a single platform.
yes.
And our future planning is for trade shows, for industrial visits, and educational services, and one conference a year for the common get together.
Mm,
There are consultant clinic over there, which we
yeah.
have good facility. So they are sitting there to resolve the problem on the spot.
Yeah, so it's a really good for the networking, knowledge sharing, and also that improving the improving the products or addressing the troubleshooting issues as well. Yeah, so
Yes.
fantastic. Yeah, yeah. We should Technovis and PolyConnect should work together on this. Yeah, more. Right? Yeah.
Yes.
Your camera is gone. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See the one thing I want to touch is I see one. Let's talk about some of the key members of the PolyConnect. One thing I
Yes.
like the guy. I mean, I sometimes I do read many of these articles. Mr. Sanjay Saxena. Yeah.
Yes.
Probably he's one of the team of the expert
Yes.
team.
He is the founder
Founder.
director of my team.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Mr. Sanjay Saxena and Mr. Fakhruddin Khan is
Yeah.
currently working in Jeddah, Saudi, in a
Mm.
starboard.
Mm.
And Mr. Sanjay Saxena is ex-CPETian.
Okay.
He is ex-CPET from Ahmedabad, retired
Okay.
from CPET now. and working for Therman, a company who is manufacturing lab equipments and all for the entire polymer industry and mechanical industries. He is my key member.
Yeah, his contributions are invaluable. Lots of interesting information. Yeah. So
yes. That is his passion.
Yeah,
that
his
is his
passion. I think it's in his DNA is all about this and plastics there. I think, you know.
No.
Yeah.
I will take him on your platform.
Yeah, please. I love to have him. Yeah, I love to have him because I read about his. I read most of his postings. Is very useful. Is doing good for all the members of the Polyconnect. Fakhruddin as well. There are few more others there. Quite good postings and knowledge sharing on the Polyconnect. I do encourage everybody.
The group key is only a discipline and discuss only about Polyconnect, only about industry. Nothing good morning, good evening, and nothing.
Yeah. And also one thing I really like about your group is that you give the time for advertising only on Sunday, 10:30 something, 10:30 to 1 p.m. on Sunday.
10 to 1.
10 to 1. 10 to 1. That's it. After that, don't post any marketing or sales promotions. Yes. I think you are.
That is their right.
I see the steel rule there. Everybody to follow. That's really nice. That's really nice.
But discipline is must. Discipline is must for public platform.
True. Yes, many of I do have my own groups as well. I only share sometimes when you open too much, you get a lot of garbage messages coming in. You really have to control.
In my group, nobody can post garbage.
Yeah. You immediately remove them, right? I think that's what you say.
Immediate.
Yeah, that's nice. But it's really good thing the Polyconnect, what you're doing for the industry. I think all the members, 2,000 some members, really benefit, and the good contributions from some of the key people.
All the polymer industry big shots are there.
Yeah.
The directors from Supreme, director from Vector, director from Astral, director from Ashirvad, they all are there. So discipline is must.
True. Because it's you should put the right information only, so that everybody benefits. Yeah. So
Yes.
Okay. Let's talk about final point about the Atul group. Okay, we talked about Atul group. We talk about rotomolding industry. We talk about water tanks. We talk about all other products. Before we get Atul group thing, what is your opinion about the Indian rotomolding industry overall? Other than the water tanks, where we are going?
Industry. It is growing industry. We are now doing in automobiles. In the next future is hydrogen tank.
Okay.
In coming 5 to 10 years, you see, moreover 5 to 10 companies are expertise in hydrogen tank. That was in rotomolding. The big market is there because of Mr. Nitin Gadkari, the Transport Minister of India. He is using a lot of efforts for non-conventional vehicles and all, hydrogen vehicles, electric vehicles, EV policies.
Yeah.
They are doing a lot. Tremendous work on roads and transportation.
Yeah. I totally agree. Mr. Nitin Gadkari is doing a really fantastic job as a minister, transport minister. He's a visionary and forward looking. Yeah. One of the best ministers.
And my dream is also to cut the ribbon from Nitin Gadkari for Polyconnect.
Oh, good. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah. So you're establishing a full office. Yeah. What's the line? What's the plan?
Bilkul.
I see. Very good. Yeah, that's a fantastic news. He's a fantastic positive energy personality. And
yes. Trying to launch Polyconnect and possible. That's the God knows.
Yeah. I think you have a good intentions, a really good thing to do. Yeah, and so
Thank you.
Having Mr. Nitin Gadkari as a part of that one is fantastic news, definitely. Yeah. So
You are also a good guest over there.
well, definitely. I love the Ashwin. I really enjoying that conversations in the because I learn a lot from postings. For me, I'm an organizer like many things. I'm not a production anything there, but I have a knowledge about industry, so I like to update myself what is going on. Your platform is one of the good platform, for the industry, definitely. So
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So finally, okay, now you are vice president of Atul Group. Hey, Atul is who? What is the name? Where this name come from, Atul? Whose
Nobody is
name
in
is?
the family of nine. Nobody is Atul. The
No.
name given by their Pandits, yeah, Pujari, you can say.
Okay.
They give the name Atul to the entire family for DG-Sec business. But when they divided in two parts, then one part taken Atul Shakti and
Okay.
my director take Atul. So then Atul legacy is going on
Okay.
for all the
Yeah.
products.
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
not even a single person by the name Atul in their family.
The first thing I thought maybe son or some usually it looks like a
No.
boy's name, right? Yeah. So
Yes, yes.
okay. So it's a
Nobody,
given by
nobody.
it is
Atul
a
is
bless.
pronounced by Atul is pronounced by Atul. It's
Say again.
incredible.
Oh, is it?
Atulya,
Atul means Atulya.
Atulya,
Though it's
incomparable,
mean incomparable.
yes,
And yeah.
incomparable.
I see. That's how it came. Yeah. And it is a blessed name by given by Pandits. Yeah. So that's good.
Yes, yes, yes,
Pujaris. Yeah. So
yes.
that's nice. Okay. So wo- what is your vision for Atul Group? How do you want to see in next 10 years time?
Just double.
Markets. Yeah.
Yes.
Whatever the money you
Market
are
in
making.
product in product line we are manufacturing in OPVC pipe also.
Okay.
Planning to install PVC pipe, the future of India. And in roto molding, we are planning to start furniture line also for bar tables, pool tables, and many more furniture for luxury segment. Just planning.
Okay. So you want to move into the furniture side, plastic furniture. Yeah. Right.
Yes.
So
Yes.
but there is
Roto
issues
mold.
about rotomolded. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And also a lot of decorative items, right? They can also, when you do in the furniture, automatically you can go to the very, what call it, glittery of decoration and decorative items as well.
Yes.
That's
Like
also a good
lamppost, like shadows, like shades,
shades. Yeah, that's right.
full
Yeah.
shades, full shades,
Yeah.
shacks.
Mm. I mean, there are a lot of potential there in that area. So
Yes.
super. Mr. Khatri, really wonderful to chat with you today. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. Yeah. Okay. Any message to
Yes,
the
definitely.
any message to the rotomolding guys?
Do your passion, think about your passion, and do it with rotomolding, with a perfect quality, with a perfect vision.
Okay.
Quality is must for
Fantastic.
you.
Yeah.
That is the key role. Because nobody can compromise with their dream. And rotomolding is a dream project, which you want to see in your dream. You can see in your dream. You can put in your vision for rotomolding. It is a passionable industry, and you don't compromise with your passion.
Fantastic. Quality with a passion.
Yeah.
Blend together, you can do wonders with rotomolding. Yeah.
Yes. You can do
Fantastic.
anything with rotomolding.
Yes, agree. Wow. Okay, Mr. Khatri, really wonderful to have a conversation with you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate the time today. Thank you very much. Thank
Thank you
you.
very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys, that's the conversation with Mr. Khatri, as Vice President of Atul Group. We had, we discussed with him about all issues, not just only the his business, but also general issues about the rotomolding in India, technology-wise. What are the good practices to implement in the rotomolding industry? Definitely quite learning. Finally, he mentioned about quality plus passion, and you can do wonders with rotomolding. I thank you all for joining this session today. I hope you find it useful. I look forward to welcome you in the next episode of the Rotomolding Tech Talk. Thank you very much. Sorry, bye bye.